Hi guys, today I'll show you how to remove FRP Ravoz V6. Okay, make switch off, then go to your computer, open the unlock tool, then select spare ROM, then select brand. Select brand. First one SPRD generic. Select this one. Then select from here, go down, there is a Unisoc, second one version B2. Okay, select this one, then click the reset FRP. Just wait few seconds. Now hold the volume plus and minus button and put the cable. See? Okay. Now see, here is processing. Yeah, FRP reset is done. Just wait now for rebooting the phone. Now phone is unlocked.